Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the steps to get your car dealer license in Tennessee. So let's get started. And so first of all, you'll see something like this on the official government website. So this might sound a bit difficult, might seem a bit difficult, but let me simplify everything. The license requirements. All right. So first of all, identify the type of license you need. So these are the fees. This is the official website for getting the license and the requirements. You'll also find it here. So let me simplify it. First, choose the type of license. For example, Tennessee offers two main licenses. All right. So one is the franchise motor dealer license, which allows you to sell new or used cars, and the another one is the used motor vehicle dealer license for selling used cars only. Choose the right one for your business and then establish a permanent business location. So your location must be a commercial space, a separate from any residential areas. Include restrooms, a phone number, and signage. Also have a parking lot for at least 15 cars plus customer parking. And make sure the lot has compacted gravel, not grass, and the building must be 280 square feet. And there are also other requirements. So you can pause the screen and read this. Anyway, let we move on. So next step is to get an auto dealer bond and liability insurance. The bond amount required is $50,000, and you'll also need the liability insurance with a minimum coverage of $300,000. Right. Then you need to gather your paperwork. For example, you will need photos of your business, location, proof of zoning approval, a business tax license, a financial statement showing a net worth of at least $10,000, and more. You can check the state website for a full list of documents here. So these are the requirements here, and you can also find the full list of documents in this video. All right, I will link them in the description below, so you can easily check them out. All right, so let me move on. Then you need to submit your dealer license application. The fee is $400 for used vehicle dealers and 400 per make for franchise dealers. Then send your application to this address here. Tennessee Motor Vehicles Commission, 500 James Robertson Parkway, Nashville, TN 37243. Then you need to undergo an inspection. After submit your application, your business location will be inspected. If you don't pass, you need to pay a $400 re-inspection fee. So make sure you have everything ready before they come for an inspection. Right. And that is how you get your car dealer license in Tennessee. For more details, visit the Tennessee Motor Vehicle Commission website or contact them directly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.